Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best microfiber wash mitt available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, SPDA Microfiber Wash Mitt. The SPDA Premium Scratch-Free Car Wash Mitt stands out as an excellent detailing tool for anyone who values a swirl-free, showroom-quality finish. Its premium 70/30 double-sided microfiber construction feels exceptionally soft while effectively trapping dirt, dust, and road grime deep within the long fibers, minimizing the risk of scratches during washing. The dense AA-grade split microfiber absorbs an impressive amount of water and soap, producing rich, long-lasting suds that make cleaning faster and more efficient with fewer trips to the wash bucket. The mitt glides smoothly across paint, glass, and other delicate surfaces, lifting contaminants without leaving lint or streaks behind. Its durable build maintains softness and performance through repeated washes, making it a reliable long-term investment. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or a full detail, this wash mitt delivers professional-level cleaning results while helping preserve your vehicle's paint in pristine condition. Next up, we have Viking Microfiber Wash Mitt. This pack of 2 premium microfiber wash mitts offers outstanding value for anyone serious about safe and effective vehicle care. Measuring 10 by 8 inches, each mitt provides excellent coverage, making it easier to clean large surfaces quickly while maintaining precise control. The varied lengths and thicknesses of the plush microfiber strands effortlessly glide across paint, glass, and trim, lifting dirt and road grime without scratching delicate finishes. A highly absorbent foam core retains a generous amount of car wash solution, creating rich suds that reduce frequent bucket trips and improve washing efficiency. The soft inner lining and knitted cuff ensure a comfortable, secure fit even during extended detailing sessions. Built with reinforced overlock inner seams, these mitts are designed for long-lasting durability and repeated use without losing their shape or softness. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, RVs, and even household cleaning, they deliver professional quality performance and dependable versatility. Coming in at number 3, Microfiber's Microfiber Wash Mitt. The Microfiber's Microfiber Wash Mitt is an excellent choice for achieving a professional quality wash while protecting your vehicle's finish. Made from ultra-soft, super absorbent microfiber, it holds a generous amount of water and shampoo, producing rich suds that make washing faster and more efficient. The plush, lint-free fibers gently lift and trap dirt, dust, and road grime away from the paint, significantly reducing the risk of swirl marks and scratches on clear-coated surfaces. Measuring 8 by 10 inches, the mitt provides comfortable handling and ample coverage for cleaning large panels with ease. It is safe for all automotive paint types and delivers the glossy, streak-free appearance associated with showroom-level detailing. Even better, the mitt is machine washable and reusable, ensuring fresh, contaminant-free performance for every wash. Combining durability, paint-safe cleaning, and exceptional absorbency, it is a dependable tool for maintaining a flawless, high-gloss finish over the long term. Now, at number 4, Toolite Microfiber Wash Mitt. This microfiber car wash mitt set offers an excellent combination of practicality, comfort, and versatility, making it a valuable addition to any cleaning routine. Available in multiple vibrant colors, the mitts are easy to organize for different tasks, helping prevent cross-contamination between surfaces. Crafted from premium double-sided microfiber, they are exceptionally soft, plush, and highly absorbent, effortlessly lifting dirt, dust, and grime while protecting delicate paint, glass, and polished finishes from scratches. The thick microfiber construction produces a streak-free shine on cars, boats, windows, and even household surfaces, making these mitts useful well beyond automotive detailing. Double-sewn elastic wrist cuffs provide a secure, comfortable fit that keeps the mitt in place during extended cleaning sessions, improving control and reducing hand fatigue. Machine washable and reusable, they maintain their softness and effectiveness after repeated use, offering long-lasting performance and outstanding value for anyone seeking efficient, scratch-free cleaning on a variety of surfaces. Finally, our last pick, Microfiber Microfiber Wash Mitt. The upgraded dual-sided microfiber car wash mitt is a smart and versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle every stage of your vehicle's wash. Its innovative two-sided construction combines a soft coral fleece surface for safely cleaning paint, glass, and other delicate areas with a durable mesh side that effectively removes stubborn dirt, brake dust, and grime from tires, wheel wells, and lower body panels. The upgraded Chenille, microfiber, and integrated sponge core provide exceptional absorbency, allowing the mitt to hold plenty of water and soap for rich, long-lasting suds that improve cleaning efficiency. This combination helps loosen contaminants while minimizing the risk of scratches or swirl marks on sensitive surfaces. Comfortable to use and easy to maneuver, the mitt makes routine car washing faster and more effective. Durable, reusable, and suitable for repeated machine washing, it offers excellent long-term value for anyone seeking a professional quality, scratch-free finish with minimal effort. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.